Here's how to use Discord on your phone while playing games. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Discord application on your mobile device, log into your account, and select your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here, you need to go ahead and select settings at the top, which is the gear icon. Once you're in the settings page, you need to find the voice option, which is under app settings. Select voice. Now enable the option of enable mobile voice overlay switch. This lets you see who is talking and use shortcuts while using other apps. So go ahead and toggle this option to enable Discord and go back to your server and join a voice channel, and you'll see a small circle overlay on your screen. Start any game on your phone and the overlay will stay visible. You can tap on it to access Discord options like invite link, split channels, and open Discord. You can also end the call from there. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.